Now, in order for the Word of God to reach different sectors of society, the Bible Society of Swaziland has donated Siswati Bibles to 3 security forces in the country. This was at S&B restaurant in Matsapa today. We will report.
After realizing the important role played by the chaplains in the security forces, Bible Society organization has decided to donate Siswati Bibles to the officers so that it will be easier for them to preach the gospel within the various organizations. Celcolo Mavimbela, who is the board member for the Bible Society, had this to say.
Bekunenesi kukhanza kumqoka nekwekuthi akube khona tinhlangano netigaba letitsite lesibambisana nato kuhambisa lo mkhankaso wethu ukuze abantu basitakale ngelibhayibheli.
Chief Chaplain Gabriel Dlamini, who thanked on behalf of the 3 security forces, praises the organization for the donation.
Sicela kubonga kakhulu lesendelwa ngo Bible Society. Mhlambe nje umuntu angasho kwekuthi Bible Society lokulwa kwenda lamuhla akaqali lomuhla. Simbonile sikhathi lesinengi asonzela kithi kakhulu singemaphoyisa netinfo letinhle.
On another note, a Bible Society has warned members of the public about fake Bibles sold at schools and books shops in the country. The chairperson of the Bible Society, Nomsam Zebele, advised members of the public to consult them for further clarification.
I'd just like to make the public aware that there are already 2 types of RSV Bibles that are being sold. They are the red ones, this particular type, which is really not the correct version. The Bibles and the proper RSV Bibles that are supposed to be sold, it is this particular type. We are advising the schools or the stationery shops that they should check before they distribute the Bibles, because some stationery shops are already selling Bibles which are not the correct ones, even though they are written Bible Society, but they were not distributed by Bible Society. And we don't know where they're actually coming from. They are not the correct version. They are the pirated type of Bibles.
Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Ernest Mabaso in Matsapa.